Hello, Kinderby friends. Welcome to our next math lesson. So we are going to be working on the back of page 263. We did the front yesterday, and we're going to do the back today. Let's refresh. We're going to be going back to our tens and our ones. Remember, what are these here? Tens. These are our base 10 blocks. And what are these here? These are ones. Okay, so let's just do, I'm gonna hold up some tens and ones and mark them here. So I'm gonna do two different columns here. So how many tens am I holding up? Right, I am holding up 3 tens. So I'm gonna put a 3 here. Good. And now how many ones am I holding up? Let me spread them out here. How many ones am I holding up? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. Okay. 3 tens, 4 ones. Now my next picture, I'm holding up the picture. So how many tens am I holding up? Am I holding up 10 tens? No, I'm holding up only 1 10. Okay, and now, how many ones am I holding up? How many ones are there? Are you saying there aren't any, Miss Bartolome? No, there aren't. So what do I put in the ones column? 0. Right. So I'm going to put a 0 here. Now, let's go ahead and add Which side do we add first? Right. We add the ones. 4 plus 0. 4 plus 0 equals 4. Now we're going to add the tens. 3 plus 1 equals 4. And there's our answer. Okay, so that's what we're going to do with our worksheet today. We got to fill in all of these blanks here. We're going to fill in all of these blanks from the pictures and then add them together. And we can count them. Either we can add the ones and then add the tens, or we could count how many tens all together and count the ones. Okay, so go ahead and get out your paper and pencil and eraser, and I think that's it, right? Yeah, you know what to do. You are so very bright, and I know you're working hard. So let me go ahead and share my screen with you. Just a minute. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing my screen with you here. There we are. All righty, guys. So let's look at number 6. First, we got to count the tens. Remember, this first picture is what we're counting first, okay? So let's see how many tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens. And how many ones? 1, 1. Now let's count the other picture. How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens. Uh-oh, are there any ones? No, there are not. So there we were going to put ones, a 0 for in the ones column. Now, what do we add first? 1 plus 0 is what? 1. And then we could count the tens. Remember, we could just do 4 plus 4 equals, and we could count how many we have all together, or we could count all of these pictures together, all the tens that is, and see how many there are. Let's do 4 plus 4 equals what? You see my fingers. Do you have fingers you could put 4 plus 4? Okay, and 8 is the answer. Let's move on to number 7, right beneath it. So let's count the first block of tens and ones. How many tens are there? Did you get 3? I did too, so let's put a 3. How many ones are there? 2. Okay, let's count the bottom picture. How many 10s are there? There's 1 10 and 2 1s. Okay, so let's count the ones. We can either count what's on the picture of the ones, or we could do 2 plus 2 equals, you're right, 4. Who shouted that? Oh, I heard you. Just kidding. Okay, now let's count the 10s. How many 10s are there? 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, great. Let's move on to number 8. So let's count the first picture of 10s and 1s. So how many 10s are there? Did you count 4 or 5? Uh-oh, I think I went too quick. Let me recount. Oh, I counted 5 10s for that first picture, and how many 1s? 2. Now, we can see how many 10s are in the next picture. There's only 1 10. And how many 1s? Count slowly. You're going too fast for me. Did you get 6? Good. Okay, now let's count the let's add the 10s and the 1s all together. So what do we do first? We count the 1s first, 2 plus 6. So we can count all of the 1s in the picture. You go ahead and count. I'm going to count to myself. You count to yourself. Were there 8 1s all together? That's what I got. Now let's count the 10s. 5 plus 1. Did you get 6? Good. Okay. All right. And the next one, how many 10s are there for this first picture here? There's 3 10s and 2 1s. Now this next picture, how many 10s are there? Oh, I see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 10s. What? Those aren't 10s, Miss Bartolome. Those are 1s. So are there any 10s? No. So what do I put here in this column? What do I put right here? Oh, I'll just put a 0 there just to fill it in. Because there are 0 10s. And how many 1s? There are 7 1s. So now let's count all the 1s. 2 plus 7. Go ahead and count. Did you get 9? Good. And 3 plus 0 is 3. Good job. Okay, guys. So now we're going on to the money. Okay. So we're going to count the 10s and the 1s. Okay. Oh, there's a bunch of dimes here. How much is a dime? 10 cents. So that's are those going to go in the 1s or the 10s column? Right. The 10s, because a dime is 10 cents. So how many dimes are in this top picture? There's 4 dimes. Are there any 1s? Why aren't there any 1s? Right, because there's no pennies. So 0 1s. In the bottom picture, how many dimes are there? There's 2. And are there any pennies? Nope. Okay, let's add the 1s column first. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Good. Okay, number 11. Let's count the 10s. 1, 2, 3. Are there 3 10s? Yeah, because there's 3 dimes, and dimes are worth 10 cents. There's 3 dimes, and how many pennies? 2. And those are our 1s. And our other picture, how many dimes? 1. And how many pennies? 3. Let's add the 1s first. 2 plus 3. We can count the pennies if we want, or we could do our fingers if we want, or we could put it on our head. 2 plus 3 is 5, and 3 plus 1 is 4. All right, friends. So we got all of that completed. Woohoo! So I'm coming back to you. Great job, guys. Give me a high five. Okay, how about a fist bump? Fist bump. Can I tell you guys, I had so much fun doing that sharing all together the other day. Boy, I loved it. Was like I saw all of you guys. Well, most of you. I know we had a couple people missing, but I'm sure they're going to be there next time because guess what? There is going to be a next time. Hooray! Okay, guys, have a beautiful, wonderful day. I love you. I miss you. And please be good. Bye-bye.